swear to God. When it hurts.
Go.
Harry, that shit, you're pulling on me. Ouch. So yeah, we made it.
I'm not getting.
Hey, what's up, guys? Today on Vlad TV, I'm gonna be pranking my friend Yummy Legs. Well, it's kind of like a prank, kind of like a, I don't know, like I'm gonna be handcuffing her for like a couple hours, and let's see her reaction, and let's see how long she can last. Cause everywhere I go, she's gonna go. Also, follow us. I just arrived to Wingstop, and I'm about to text her to come to my car real quick, cause I have a surprise for her. Literally. She ain't ready for this one. Definitely not. Like, if you guys watch till the end, it's gonna be definitely worth it. Trust me. I can't wait for her reaction. I swear to God, I can't wait for her reaction. I just texted her to come out already, so just wait for her to come through. We have to wait for her right now. Let's see her come.
A few inches later.
Hi, bud.
There she is.
Oh, sick. You doing the vlog?
Yeah.
Hi.
Hell yeah. My second vlog of the
Mommy
year.
Yummy.
Yeah.
I'm just kidding.
Yeah, so are you excited for the Wingstop today?
Hungry, bud.
I haven't eaten wings in a minute, so I'm
Hungry.
kind of craving them right now. Oh yeah. But also, I gotta tell you, I didn't even tell you on text, but I have a little surprise for you. And for like everyone watching.
What is it? You're lying.
Well, I can't tell you. It's nothing bad though. Like
You're lying.
no one has ever done this type of surprise to you. Literally.
I'm scared.
No, but it's nothing bad. Watch, hold on.
I'm scared.
Hold the camera real quick. Yeah, just like hold it like that. Yeah, like that. Like,
Is it even going?
yeah, it's recording. Yeah, but watch. If you want your surprise, like, hold on, watch. Close your eyes, watch.
No, I'm scared.
I swear. Like, no, for
Vlad,
real.
don't
It's nothing
play
bad.
with
It's
me right
nothing
now.
bad.
Don't with me
It's
right
nothing
now.
bad. For real, like, just close your eyes, like, for like 30 seconds, I swear.
I'm scared.
Nah, do it, watch. For real.
Okay. I'm
Like,
nervous.
yeah, close your eyes, like
Did I turn this way?
whatever.
This
Just
is my
like,
good side anyway.
don't open your eyes, like, for real.
Okay.
Don't look.
Is it facing me?
The what? Camera?
Okay, yeah.
Yeah, just like, don't look though.
Okay, I promise I won't.
Give me your arm.
What are you doing?
Nah, nothing.
What are you doing, Vlad? Don't play with me now. What the
Oh my God.
are you doing?
Nah, wait. I have to put mine on. Damn, I got him. Damn, you are so.
What the How do you take this off?
She didn't expect this
Vlad?
I got her, you guys. I swear.
Don't play with me.
Nah, hell no. We're handcuffed right now. We're about to go eat handcuffed.
No, take it out. Vlad,
I'm not
we
taking it out.
cannot go in there like this.
What do you mean? Yeah, we can. Everyone wants to
It's
see.
embarrassing, dude.
Nah.
I'm not going in like this.
Nah, don't be
No,
like
I'm
that.
not
Don't be
going
like
in
that.
Vlad, what the
Nah, don't be like that, I swear.
I'm not playing.
Nah, we have to do it for the vlog. This was part of my daily vlog.
We can
Nah,
eat
nah,
without
look at that.
this. Like,
Nope.
what the
Let's go.
going in there like that?
No, let's go.
That's embarrassing.
I left the key at my house, so I don't know. I left the key at my
Don't play
house.
with me, dude. Don't play with me.
I left the key at my damn house. I swear to God, like, yeah, I left the key at my house. Nah, I left the key at my house. And we're gonna have to go eat. Nah, don't be like that. We have to go eat.
I'm not going in there like that.
Nah.
That's embarrassing.
Nah, it's not. We're gonna do it for everyone that you're watching. Swear to God. When it hurts.
Go.
Harry, you're pulling on me. Ouch. So yeah, we made it.
I'm not getting. Oh. We're not going in like
We
this.
made it. We made it.
That's
No, we
embarrassing.
are. I don't have the key. I told you. Hold it real quick. I don't have the key. I swear to
Oh
God.
my God, Vlad,
I don't
can't
have the
do
key.
this.
I don't have the key. For real, for
You
real.
guys, I want to kill myself.
For real.
Vlad, oh my God, people are watching us. Oh my God.
My car was
Vlad, hide.
What do you mean?
Hide under my side. Ow! It hurts.
Oh,
Stop.
yeah. Stop pulling on me.
I'm embarrassed, guys.
Where?
Wait, hide it.
Well, yeah, kind of hide it in a way.
I'm scared.
You're right. embarrassing, but yeah.
Take it off, please. Oh my god, people are watching us. You guys, I've never been so embarrassed in my motherfucking life. Like, you don't even know. Open the door.
It's all good. We got this.
Okay, start.
Can I get, you want some meat for two?
Yeah.
For real? Okay, we'll get that. You see, can we get the meal for two?
Alrighty, did you guys want, can I get a name for the order?
Yummy.
Alrighty, did you want that bone in or boneless?
Boneless.
Boneless, got it. And what were the two flavors you'd like with that?
What do you want?
Good morning.
Give me lemon pepper, original, and how many flavors? Two?
So it's up to two.
Okay, I just those.
Lemon pepper and original hot?
Yeah.
Got it. And for dips, did you want ranch, blue cheese, or any mustard?
Ranch, please.
Alrighty, that comes with the large fry and 2 drinks. Anything else for your order?
That'll be it.
Alright, your total is going to be $22.27. Is that for here to go?
For here. There's nothing to be embarrassed about right now.
At the bottom of your receipt, there is a survey. If you don't mind doing it, you do get a chance to win a $50 gift card. You're welcome. Should be out in 18 to 20 minutes.
Alright, thanks. Why are you so worried? Like, handcuffs.
I can't.
Literally, you're just damn handcuffs. So we have to go get drinks together now, literally. There's nothing to be embarrassed about or nothing. This is my second vlog too, so you just have to get used to it, I guess. Just give me Dr. Pepper.
How do you start this?
Wait, hold on, let me fix the camera because I can't really move my damn hand.
Dr. Pepper?
Yeah.
Wait, do you want ice?
Whatever, yeah.
Ooh.
Oops.
Regular?
Yeah, regular. He's actually happy right now, literally. Literally. I left the key at my house and there's no way we could get out of this one.
Okay, this is not working.
There you go. Really, this is like old ass how you don't know how to push that damn thing. Wait, I think they're out, look. Right there, they're out of flavors. Just get cold. Just leave that in there already. Just leave half of it, yeah. I'll drink that one. What do you want?
Here.
Ran out of Dr. Pepper here at Wingstop. I don't know what Wingstop we got Dr. Pepper. That's only half of a damn cup, and they're out of all damn flavors of Dr. Pepper. And that's my favorite drink, so Dr. Pepper, where you at? She decided to get lemonade because Dr. Pepper decides to run out the damn machine.
Oh, I don't like Dr. Pepper.
It's gonna be hard, but...
Oh, it's right there.
This is what happens when you overflow your damn soda. We have to get a table that's like with two.
This is two.
No, but we have to be able to we can't eat good like this. We have to be like side to side.
I can eat like this.
We have to be side to side.
But how do I eat this?
I'll put the camera up right there. I have a little tripod on, so it definitely works. Hold on. Oh man. That shit hurts when you're pulling it. I was gonna say, how do we even check if it's still here? They finally brought us our food, you guys. Where's that handcuff? Yeah, I'm gonna set the camera right here, watch.
This is my move. It's so funny right now, but I guess. Why? They didn't bring us now. We have to go get napkins right now. I feel. Let's eat like this for now. We'll get napkins when we eat them. I definitely would recommend Wingstop, right? Well, definitely. Yeah.
She's not as mad as I thought she would be, but
I am. I'm just not showing it.
she's not mad. She's faking it. She's not mad. She actually likes this little idea we have going on. So we just left Wingstop. We're still handcuffed.
I'm embarrassed.
Are you? We're gonna have to get back in the car right now like this. I don't know how we're gonna do it, but we're gonna do it right now, literally. So I don't know, we're gonna go in or I'm gonna go in?
I'm going in.
Okay, well, okay. No, hold the camera, hold the camera. Hold the camera though, I don't like it. You didn't even hold my damn door right.
Sorry.
You can't stole my car. It's gonna be hard for me to get in though.
I don't care. I got out.
Well, you're smaller in a way, like you're more tiny.
No.
But you're careful, don't hit this car though. Ready? You have the damn door open. But, flip the camera, see my struggle, watch. And come over here, because you're not going to be able to come in after.
Oh, okay. Hold on, guys, hold on.
You have to hold the door open.
Okay, I will.
Oh, so you have to come in slowly. So let me see your cup so you don't drop it. Oh my god.
Hurry.
Wait, yeah, this is more harder than I thought.
I told you.
Oh well. This is why this is the real challenge, you guys. Seriously. It's a real challenge.
Oh my god.
Yeah. Okay, now I'm cool. Ready?
Hurry, I'm cool. It's hard. The drink was.
Oh shit, now you're good. Oh shit. You guys see this? Oh, my pants got stuck. You can see that struggle.
Oh my god.
What?
You're not in the drink.
I'm still alive. Oh, we made it.
Hold on.
We made it. That's the struggle of this fucking challenge.
Okay, guys. We're finally leaving. We're gonna go get
some ice cream.
Ice cream.
What's it? I don't even know what the thing's called. I forgot what it's called.
Stone Cold.
Cold Stone. There you go.
Oh. I was gonna say. Yeah, I was gonna say that. No.
The rest.
Yeah, whatever it's called. I forgot again. But it hurts, and I don't like having my hand right here when he's driving.
It's just this complicated, huh?
Hard, guys. I don't like it, and I want to get handcuffed right now. But
this is the point of the challenge. Good ass.
Anywho, it hurts.
Yeah, we can turn it on the lights. It'll be more light.
And it's cold as but I want ice cream. So.
Yeah, ice cream sounds bomb right now.
Go.
Why are you scared?
Oh my god.
Not even. I'm a crippled driver, literally. Like, I don't have to professionally drive.
Let me drive.
Cool. You can't drive stick though, look.
Does it have my car?
Yeah, Harry, she's trying to drive, but she's on this opposite side, and we can't switch sides because our hands are like stuck. That's the problem.
I know I don't have a license.
Yes, you do. Come here, wow. Oh shit. And we made it again, you guys.
Oh, we made it. Oh!
One more time, we made it. Just like the camera cut off at first, so I didn't make it. Hold it real quick.
We're in a Cold Stone like this.
We're in a Cold Stone.
Come on.
Like my car.
Hurry.
Well, face it towards us, watch. The camera. Oh, my keys. Oh, I have
Don't
my
tell me
hair.
you forgot. You forgot.
I forgot it.
That is.
Okay, so I can see.
No, I want to.
Oh, you want to hold it? Okay. Well, hold it more up above you. Let me see, hold it like more above. Like this. There you go, see? Look at that.
Stop.
I don't know, she likes him like, I look like new to the cameras. She acting so new to this camera. What the f***? Even turned around. Whoa, it is harder than I thought it would be.
I can't.
You came to Cold Stone, Stone Cold like you said. This is my favorite place of all times.
Okay guys.
We're back in the car.
We got ice cream. It was a struggle and
it was a struggle. It was embarrassing. She was embarrassed.
There was literally the biggest line ever. Like,
she was too embarrassed to film though, so I had to turn it off because she was too embarrassed.
Literally, there's the biggest line ever. It was so embarrassing. I had handcuffs in my hand, like That was the most embarrassing thing ever.
It was funny. Watch. Let me show my ice cream. Watch. This shit's so bomb.
It's cold.
So good. It's kind of cold out here today, and but this ice cream's bomb though. Cold Stone Creamery. I recommend this ice cream to everyone. It's so creamy, huh? Literally, it's creamy. It's so good. Well, yeah. So what time do I have to go home at? Right now? Damn, and I have to key at my house, so we're gonna have to drive all the way back to my house.
Let's go, get it going, cause I got a date.
Fuck. Damn. She has to go. Should we actually go with the keys or?
God, please. Are you gonna go on the date with me or what?
Yeah. Look, we're tied up. We can't get out. Damn. So now, wait, hold on. I think I forgot the damn keys in my damn. No, wait. I think I lost them. I think.
Don't even say that for real.
I swear, I forgot where I misplaced them.
I have marks on it.
And yeah, these do hurt actually. They do hurt. Having them on for like 4 hours or so. They do hurt. No, I'm just kidding. You passed the challenge though, for real. I had the keys the whole time. I had the keys the whole damn. Alright, let me get them on my pocket. I had them. I swear. Hold on. I got them.
Oh man.
Here's the keys. Grab them real quick. There you go.
You
See, I had the key the whole time. I was just pranking you, but you did succeed the challenge for today. Seriously.
I know I had to. What choice I...
For real. Nah, this was a complicated challenge, but she passed it. Like, I gave her a pass on this one. She didn't really get mad at me, but it was whatever. But it was kind of complicated to get off the car and get in the car and just go places being handcuffed.
I can't take them off.
Oh, I hold my ice cream real quick. Hold the camera.
Guys,
She really can't. We have so much ice cream in our hands that we can't really hold this damn camera. Where the keys at? Where the keys at?
It's on there.
Oh, it's on here?
Yeah.
Where? Oh, on yours? Oh, shit.
Hold on, guys.
Okay, flip your hand this way.
I really think I'm stuck. I'm not playing.
I think you are.
But,
Sorry.
it hurt. Dude, these handcuffs hurt.
They do hurt. Okay.
Oh, I can't stop moving.
Shaking the camera.
Got it?
I think I got it. Oh, kebab.
Dude, oh my
I think these are the wrong keys. Oh, God, I forgot.
Don't even say that. Hold on, guys.
Oh, shit. Okay, this is going to watch.
Guys, they're stuck, literally.
They're kind of stuck. Okay, this is going wrong, actually. Wait,
I'll literally cry right now if they're stuck.
hold on, I think they're going backwards. What the? Okay, I think we're good. Get a lock.
You guys.
I don't know what's going on. Wait, hold on. Let me see. I think I need to do something right here. Well, I think this is the wrong key because I think there's 2 keys, bro. Hold up. Let me try this other key. I don't even know what's going on, to be honest.
No, this ice cream's about to up.
See, it's about to drip on you. And this won't unlock.
I'm mad. But it's really stuck.
Okay. What the hell? This
I'm
fucking
free.
Well, that was gonna go wrong right now. I swear to God, I couldn't unlock that.
I'm free. I could eat my ice cream in peace.
Damn, you succeeded the challenge though.
Yeah.
For real.
I
Now it's
know
my
I
turn to
did.
take him off. Boom. Yup.
Finally. Here.
You guys had it. That was a good vlog for today. Challenge, whatever you call it.
Here's your ice cream because it's melting.
Oops.
We're full.
But yeah, that was for today's challenge. I'll see you guys in the next video. So
Follow
stay tuned.
me.
Follow her on Instagram.
Mommy yummy.
I'll leave her right here above my ice cream cone. So yeah, follow her for sure.